welcome to Westy Explores. This time, I'm taking a look around the #1 tourist destination in Dublin, the world-famous Guinness Storehouse at the historic St James's Gate Brewery. Here you can see the famous 9,000-year lease signed by Arthur Guinness. Originally built in 1902, the storehouse opened its visitor attraction in 2000 and has welcomed over 20 million visitors. The visitor experience covers ingredients, the brewing process, a tasting masterclass, and Guinness's advertising history. If you're on a self-guided tour, it will take about 90 minutes plus to see everything. 4 main ingredients are needed to make a pint of Guinness: barley, water, hops, and yeast. The attraction does an amazing job of taking you through the process and exhibits original equipment from the past. The displays throughout the tour are well designed, informative, and there's plenty to see. It's a real look into the world of Guinness. Looking around the vast space, you really get a sense of the size of the operation. After all, around 1.5 to 1.8 billion pints are sold each year, and 13 million pints are sold alone on St Patrick's Day. The archive equipment on display reminds you that Guinness has been around since 1759. Should you want to have a sample of the black stuff, they operate a unique tasting experience. First, you walk down a very long corridor until you reach the bright lit aroma room. Take in all the various smells from coffee, chocolate, caramel, hops, and you really get a sense of the multi-grainy notes that go into making a pint of Guinness. If you're over 18, you'll be able to take part in a tasting session with a small glass and given instruction of how to drink Guinness properly. Guinness have a huge display of their advertising through the years, many very recognisable ones including the fish on a bike and the surfers. After the main experience, you can head to the stouty, where you can have your face printed on the head of a pint. Also in this area is the Guinness Academy, where you learn how to pour the perfect pint. The storehouse is home to 3 restaurants: 1837, Market Street, and named after the owner, Arthur's Bar, all offering different food at a mixture of prices. At the top of the attraction is the Gravity Bar. It's one of the highest viewpoints in the city, giving you spectacular 360 views. This is also where you'll collect your free pint of Guinness. With any visitor attraction, expect a gift shop, and it's no different here. Something to buy for any Guinness fan, from clothing, glassware, and a lot of merchandise. Ticket prices start from €22, which is great value for money. I hope you enjoyed this quick look around the Guinness Storehouse, and it should definitely be on your list when visiting Dublin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming up. Until next time, get out there and explore more.